In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up the forecast tool in Hubspot. Setting up forecasting in Hubspot helps you understand expected revenue over time, based on the deals that are currently in progress. If your team is managing sales in stages, this tool is especially useful because it connects your deal pipeline to forecast categories. To begin, log into your Hubspot account. Use the credentials you normally use for your workspace, and once you are signed in, give the main dashboard a moment to fully load. You want to make sure everything is responsive before you start moving through menus, since forecasting settings are located in specific areas of the platform. Next, navigate to the Sales section, then go to Forecast. As you open the Sales menu, you should see Forecast as one of the options. Selecting Forecast takes you to the page where Hubspot helps you configure the forecasting view for your organization. This is the starting point where the forecast tool settings live. From there, click Setup Forecast or create a forecast type if you are starting fresh. This action may look slightly different depending on your account setup, but the key idea is that you are initiating the forecast configuration. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct setup screen, since this is where you will define how deals are grouped and which time period you want to track. Now you will map your deal stages to the appropriate forecast categories. This step is important because it determines how Hubspot interprets your pipeline. For example, deals in early stages might be categorized as a lower confidence forecast, while deals in later stages could be categorized as more certain. As you map each deal stage, review the labels and make sure each stage is assigned to the category that matches your sales process and expectations. After you finish mapping deal stages, choose your forecast period and select the fiscal year start date. The forecast period controls how far into the future or across what timeframe Hubspot will calculate the forecast. The fiscal year start date is used so the forecast aligns with your company's accounting and planning calendar. If you are not sure which date to use, think about when your internal fiscal year actually begins, since that alignment improves reporting accuracy. Once the forecasting timeline is configured, you should assign permissions to the team members who should have access. This ensures that the right people can view or manage forecast information while keeping sensitive sales data appropriately limited. As you choose team members, consider who needs to review forecast numbers and who should be responsible for updating or interpreting the results. This step helps maintain a clean workflow and prevents confusion. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, you may see a confirmation message or the page may refresh to reflect your new configuration. Take a brief moment to scan the updated settings, especially the mapped deal stages and the forecast period settings, to confirm they match what you intended. And that covers everything you need to know. You have logged into your Hubspot account, opened the forecast tool, created or initiated a forecast type, mapped deal stages to forecast categories, set the forecast period and fiscal year start date, assigned the proper team permissions, and saved your changes. With these steps complete, your team can start using the forecast tool to track expected revenue based on your pipeline progress. And that is all there is to it.